So you were talking about viruses that we carry that probably do nothing to us, that are just benign.
Yeah.
Are there any evidence of viruses that are actually helpful to us? Like we carry bacteria that are helpful to us. Are there viruses that are helpful to us?
I've heard people, in humans, no. I've not heard of any good evidence of a human virus that is helpful. So, for example, back to my statement that we carry viruses, there's a thing called TTV. It's a DNA virus that's found in probably 90% of the population world globally. So you and I almost certainly have it, no effect. And there are others like that. I've not heard of a good example of a virus that's helpful in humans. I've heard people discuss that in plants, and people have said that viruses, for example, in plants can... So there are some plants that live extremely high soil temperatures. So they live in sort of volcanic fields where the soil temperature is sort of 50 degrees. So nothing should live there. So it's suggested that these viruses give tolerance somehow to the plant living in that soil temperature. That's a controversial claim that's been suggested. It's also been suggested that bacteria, who mentioned listeria? It's been suggested that the bacteria carry viruses called bacteriophage. And we know that those bacteria viruses can carry proteins that are good for the bacteria. So bacteria viruses can be good for bacteria. For humans, I've not heard that, no.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, everyone, for coming out this evening, and thank you to Dr. Eddie Holmes for speaking with us. Excellent. A few notes before we wrap up. There are some surveys floating around, and if you did not pick one up, please fill it out. The Institute for Learning and Innovation is doing evaluations on our programs, so we want your feedback so we can make these programs even better. Also, you can check this out on Ustream and MicrobeWorldVideo.org. Check it out later. And many thanks to our partner organizations, the Koshland Science Museum, which is right down the street at 6th and E. You should check it out if you've not visited, as well as the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, where we base a lot of materials for our topics and find our speakers. And that is the Science Journal of the National Academy of Sciences, and you can find out more about them at pnas.org. So thank you. If you have any questions, we have this room until 8 o'clock, so feel free to mingle and discuss, and tip your waitress as well. Thank you.